Hey everyone! Ever wonder if your posture could be making your herniated disc pain worse? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the science and see how posture really impacts that pesky back pain. First off, did you know that poor posture can be a major aggravator to back or neck pain? Slouching, forward head posture, or what we call tech neck, and even prolonged sitting, all these habits can weaken your muscles and put extra strain and pressure on your spinal discs. Yep, that's right. Imagine this. Your head weighs around 10-12 pounds, but when you bend it forward to look at your phone or computer, it can feel like 96 pounds to your neck and shoulders. No wonder you're in pain after scrolling through social media for hours. A herniated disc happens when the inner core of a spinal disc bulges out and sometimes presses on nerves. And guess what? Even severe herniations can reduce and heal naturally, especially with specific movements and paying attention to your posture. As we age, particularly after 45, our spinal discs lose their cushioning, which increases pressure on nerve roots. This makes maintaining good posture even more crucial. Chronic back pain is no joke. It affects millions and is one of the leading causes of disability. So what can you do? Conservative management is key. Focus on specific movements, ergonomics, postural care, exercises, and sometimes medication. Returning to strengthening exercises at the right time will be essential for stabilizing your back. Gentle exercises like walking, swimming, and yoga can work wonders. Don't forget about taking breaks from sitting, using ergonomic furniture, and positioning your screens correctly. Little changes can make a big difference. Lastly, consider integrating a strengthening program into your routine. Holistic approaches have shown promise in managing even severe cases of herniated discs. If you found this information helpful, please share this video to spread the word about the importance of good posture for back pain relief. Thanks for watching and take care of your spine.